Do you know that you can make money by copying and pasting? So I'm going to show you in this video how you can make money just by copying and pasting. You will be able to make this. So without further ado, if you are new to this channel, can you follow me to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video like this. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So welcome back. In the name of the website I'm going to be mentioning in this video, or the particular app I'm going to mention in this video, is different from what you are seeing online. So what you have to do is just to kindly follow me to the end of the video and the steps for you to be able to make this happen. And any particular part you pass in or you skip out, you will miss out the legitimate process you guys to use to make a lot of cash within this site or this app. So let's go over to my screen. Over here my screen, the name of the app I'm going to use to make this happen is called ClickClap. ClickClap will allow you to make money just by copying and pasting of videos or text or anything at all in the site or in the app. So you guys to see in my screen right now, you guys to see I have two different apps. Number one app is called the site. I'm in the site right now, and the site is showing you the way the app looks like. So when I download it in my laptop storage, you guys will see the things that's concerning the app. So over here, let's go back to our app. So here is the app. Only what you have to do here is to download the app and then start registering in the app, and then you make some cash while doing the processes. So right now we got to begin to register. So for you to be able to use this app, you will continue with Google. So for you to be able to use this app, you are going to do what? Register under Google. So over here my screen, that continue with Google. So when I click on continue with Google, it will definitely take me to other places. I'm using my laptop, that's why you are seeing the screen this way. You are seeing it, I don't know. So this is it. So for it to continue with Google, I have to continue with my email, and when I continue with my email, it will load and then ask me my gender and my uploading of pictures. So I have to click on my gender, which is male. You can definitely choose to upload pictures, because in this laptop there is the way the thing is. I can easily put in the picture if I have any picture, or if you don't have, you can just clip it by putting your username. So I'm going to put in my username by typing Joshdehustler. Then I have to click on English. Then please complete your personal info. So let me take a photo of me in order to continue this process. Next. So I'm using this photo to just begin with this. So when you click on this, then it will snap me, and then I had to use that actual picture for my stuff. Right now I have already snapped a picture, so I have to go and upload those pictures. So this is it, and I had to click on next. When I click on next and then I click on confirm, it will definitely upload to their site. And then what I have to do now is to continue, or by clicking on next. So select a content you are interested in. So you have to select a content that you can copy and paste. So I'm going to go over to movies, then technology. I put in foreign content, music, lifestyle, fashion, arts. I think art is more popular, and news. So this is let me remove funny. Then let me put news. So let's click on next. So when I click on next, it will take us to another place where we got to do the necessary. So if in here you guys to start seeing a lot of posts or a lot of videos being posted in the website. So you have to see it in here that up videos is now posted in the website. So what you have to do is to do what? To go over into the internet and download a bunch of videos and upload. So let me show you how this works. So when you go over to this place, not satisfied though, but this is where you guys will receive your points. This place is the wallet where you guys will receive your points, and this is it. Cash 0.03 and 300 coins and 10 silver cheats and all that. You guys will see how much you could be making in diamonds and cash. This is the cash, and you can withdraw your cash as is by $50, $10, $15, and so on and so forth. And also diamond is here, and this is it. You can withdraw diamond. $260 diamond is $5, and so on and so forth. So what you have to do is this. What you have to do on this site is just to go over to the internet, or you can just do video of yourself, upload from gallery. You can click on upload from YouTube. Please paste the link and select the channel. So what I have to do now is this. So what I have to do now is to go back and then go over to YouTube to copy some new videos. Let me paste Mr. Beast, or let me use my channel video, Josh. Then I click on that. It will definitely take me to YouTube. Then what I have to do is to please enter YouTube link here. So, and then select channel. YouTube link is to copy the video link. So I have to copy this video link, which is here. When I copy that, then I click on cut though, but that's not a problem. Then I paste the link in here. That's to see the link in here of the video. So what I have to do is to find the channel or channels, digital products. So what I have to do now is to click on upload a comment. This is a hashtag. It's recommended and it's optional. This is the hashtag make money online. So this is the hashtag I'll be using. Then I click on check. Then this is the hashtag. You can write the description if you really want to, and then you click on upload. Definitely the stuff is now uploaded successful, and if you go over to your page, it will definitely be there. So this is what you'll be doing and be making some cash doing so. You'll be making some money and doing so. So this is it. And you can also upload your own content, the video you just created in your video. So this is it, and that's the way you keep doing it and adding followers and adding gifts and making some cash just by doing what? Copying videos on internet and video link on internet, and be pasting and be making money with it. So thank you for watching. If you like this video and you believe this video will work for you, and if it really work for you, comment down below. Don't forget to share the video, turn on your post notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video like this. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video, and peace out.